Galloping, he must be in a hurry to make it.
If you kill me, the Wild Bunch will know that you're onto their game. They told me kill him or buy him. I wouldn't have tried unless it was my last chance. You know what Nevada was like. We had a little agreement, him, Red, and me, for an extra share between us. And you know even better than me how he hated sharing anything. And he deserved the bullet he got. Red did it. But I kept his share. And it's yours now. Take all you want. You can live like a king for 100 years.
I don't intend to get that old.
And 1 RPH, T4LSX.
I only need 500. Is there a telegraph office in town?
Hey, how you
I
doing?
get the same from New Orleans.
I'm down here in Elmira now.
Every Friday.
Back at the camp, I hope, in an hour or so.